Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I got another great plan here for Apple. Plus, I'm going to show you where you can see my last great winning plan, why you want to listen to me, Power Trigger Trade, the big picture expert. Okay, now, first of all, people, in this video, I will talk about Apple first, then after the BA plan. Yes, people, if you're Apple, listen, whether you're Apple or not, you want to stick around for my BA plan as well, people. All right, now. Because BA is a really good stock, a lot of great gains. Power Trigger Trade, Apple long board. Okay, anyways, people, Apple is a reversal plan right now. Targets are 190 to 195. You know, this pullback gave an opportunity, people. Next, but this is where we're going. They're going to try for these levels. Okay. The April 20 180 calls are great to use. I will explain key reasons why inside the video. You know, this is a great setup. Apple is more bullish than ever before. Attempting to smash through the 180 again, we are better set up to smash. We've tested it many times, but this time, the next time, there's a good chance that Apple, and then again, we have the time with these options. We'll give it time. Unless something goes wrong, because by the way, I'll make special updates if necessary inside of Power Group of Trades. But here it is, people. I suggest the April 20 180 calls a minimum. Now, Apple needs to, I will explain them. People, basically, you see Apple get above 177, ababoom, abasum, you enter this. That's simple as that. Now, I'm going to post the confirmation inside of Power Group Trades, but basically, I'm just giving it's really simple this time with Apple. You simply get above 177, abazoom, ababoom, you enter. Okay? We already went into these, but if you want to add, we get above 177, avazoom, avaboom, you enter. All right, now, let's go talk about BA, people. All right, people, BA also is a reversal setup. Set up to test. 385 to 390 next. Now, you heard that right. Now, it could be even higher than that, but those are the lowest possible targets. This thing is set up to go. But it is choppy, the stock, and we did some nice gains in this. Not as much as I wanted. We were about up 100% where we had to bail and got stopped out. You know, you can hear the story in my live stream. I'm going to direct you to a lot of great information. If you're new, you want to study my stream, you want to listen to what I say. Anyways, people, what I'm suggesting is the April 20th 360 calls. Yeah, they're expensive, but this stock, I tell you, this stock here, you double your money in large option stocks, you're making great dollar bills. Okay, instead of buying more options, you buy less. Okay, but you can hold it more. This is why I suggest these expensive options. This stock here, Bagas, it pays the money, man. This is a wonderful company. I made so many great winning trades in BA. Anyways, people, so BA is a reversal setup. Set up the test. Okay, the April 20. Okay, I just explained everything. Anyways, massive possible. Yeah, massive possible gains, people. I really like this Power Trigger Trade. You know what I'm going to be doing. So, how do you get into this one here? BA needs to. I will explain. Simple. Listen, people. Same thing here. This thing gets above 345.50. Anything above 345, 345.50, 346, avazoom, ababoom, you enter these options. It's as simple as that. This is a special, powerful. Now, I make a lot of great plans, people. You want to subscribe? I want to show you some good things, people. I want to show you something, people. Okay, people, here we are, Power Trigger Trade. If you want to become a group member, you see this pinned tweet video? Click on it. Study what it says. You hear me speak to you one-on-one. This is for the serious people, serious about success. I make great plans. I make so many great winning plans. Let me show you something else, people. I want to show you something else, okay? Okay, people, here we are, Power Target Trades, okay? My YouTube channel. I've created what's called a created playlist where I have documented plans just like this from start to end to finish. A wealth of information. Study the videos, people. I keep telling people, and I'll give you a message. Also, I want to show you. You click over here. It's my website. It's just a website right now. There's no. I'll show you something. So here, let's go to it. Let's look at it together, people. Oh, witness the power. Look at the balloons. Oh, isn't that beautiful, people? But see, what it is here, it's not it's not just a nice presentation of the site, it's the videos, it's the power. Like this, for example, you can quickly see some great videos that I have put some great information set. Check out this Tesla 1 GS. And also this video here, this is an eye-opener. This is how, you see the big picture skills here. Back in February 11th, I called the reversal while the world record holder was calling for a massive drop. I have big picture skills, people, beyond most out there. I am Power Trick or Trade, the big picture expert. All right, now, people, and you can see here, if you go to my services page, it tells you, I give people all kinds of things, all kinds of reminders and everything here. Stay tuned for something powerful coming. Just read the messages that I have here, my about page here. And then of course subscribe button. You should subscribe to my to this channel as well. I mean to this home. Yeah, Power Witness the Power, people. Okay, people, so here we are back at Power Target Trades. Like I said, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. I do live streams. Now, I'm gonna give you another reminder at the end of this video. You're gonna hear me speak to you one-on-one. Again, I'm gonna show you an easy way to subscribe. You see this picture of me. You're gonna click on it, circle format. Simply click on it. It's gonna give you an easy way to subscribe if you have one already. There you have it, people. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link, and don't forget there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like